How to use remote. On off button. Press this button to turn the machine on off. Plus minus button. Set temperature and timer can be increased, decreased. Remote keypad lock. Press plus and minus buttons simultaneously to lock remote keys and press both again to unlock. Dry mode. Based on room temperature, dry mode automatically start with super dry function, which removes humidity level quickly as compared to conventional dry mode. IDU display continuously show SD super dry mode. Heat mode applicable for heat cool series models. In heat mode, set temperature is adjustable between 16 degree to 30 degrees. Fan mode. Indoor fan will run at selected speed except fan auto. Room temperature will show in display in AC. Cool mode. In cool mode, set temperature is adjustable between 16 degrees to 13 degrees centigrade. Fan button. Fan speed will change in low, medium, high, auto speed sequence. Auto speed can be set only in cool mode. Vertical swing. Vertical swing motor stops by swing key. Fan motor starts running only after when the flap is opened. Sleep function can be set only in cool mode. In this function, set temperature will increase by 1 degree centigrade in first 1 hour. Total 2 degrees centigrade will be increased in 2 hours. Horizontal swing applicable for horizontal swing series models. Saver button. This key is used to activate deactivate saver feature. When saver is active, set temperature will be 24 degree and fan speed will be set at medium. Lamp button. This key is used to on off the display of indoor unit. Turbo button. Enabling turbo key will set the fan speed at high speed and compressor will run at high speed. Timer on. Press on off button, then press timer on key. Set the hour. And press set button to activate timer function. To deactivate timer function, press timer on key twice. Press timer off key. Set the hour and press set button to activate timer function. And press set button to activate timer function. To deactivate timer function, press timer off key twice. Temperature button. Room temperature will appear on the IDU display for 5 seconds. Adjustment button. This key is used to deactivate adjustable feature. This feature is applicable for selected models only. Add for 3 seconds, then tonnage for 3 seconds, and this cycle will continue in 3-step adjustable model. Example, 20 means 2.0 ton, 12 means 1.2 ton. During this function, optimum cooling with low power consumption or high cooling with more power consumption is achieved based on the model and customer requirement. Wi-Fi button. This feature will be available only in Wi-Fi series models.